Casen, man, have we not had a lot of fun with Power Wheels in the last 6-8 months filming on YouTube with all these bad boys? Hey, what are we going to do with them? Say, guys, it's time for a new phase. Out with the old, in with the new. We're going to try to get rid of some of these, and it won't be just Power Wheel Kid no more. It's going to be Casens Adventures. We may be fishing, we may be riding, you never know what we may be doing, but we can only take it so far with the Power Wheels. Y'all get it, we get it. So anyway, Casen would like to show you his new toy. All right, Casen, you want to go show him your new toy? Hey, I've got the key to it. Let's go show him, man. All right, we'll be right back. Casen, what are you on, man?
A silver.
What was that?
A silver.
A four-wheeler. Hey, okay, is it a gas-powered four-wheeler?
Yeah.
And how old are you again? You 2 years old? All right, we're gonna ride this and show people how you can ride?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you gotta put on in order to ride this four-wheeler?
Nice.
What do you gotta wear on your head?
Helmet.
A helmet. All right, and what is this?
A key.
And what does that do? Starts the four-wheeler. Hey, and what happens if you hot rod? Oh, what happens if you hot rod? Dada has a remote, don't he? Right here. All right, let's get geared up and let's hit the trails. Okay, Casen, show them what you got to do. Turn the key on, start it up. All right, now we're gonna go to the trails.
Yeah.
All right, go to the trails. Uh-oh, it died. There we go. All right, we're going to the trails, folks. Whole new level. Casen, slow down, man. Oh, he's going through here. Woo! He loves this new four-wheeler, guys. We've been working on it for a minute. We need to move that stick?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, you like this four-wheeler, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, show everybody how you can ride. No problem at all, guys. There's no way for me to keep up with him no more. What is it? You can go. Use your brakes. He's going again. Here he comes down the trail. Oh, now we're going to the field. He's gone again. Here he comes. Good job, Casen. Hey, why don't you go on that way?
No, I'm gonna get it.
Alright. Hang on. Here, I got your turn. Go on down and meet me in the middle down there. Alright. Maybe. Guys, we'll meet him down here in the middle. He's all over the place, this four. He loves it. And I tell you, to not be 3-year-old yet, he's doing a pretty good job. Man, he's getting with it. Maybe we can get some action. He comes down. He's way over there. Hey, Casen! Hey! Come on around! See if we can't get him. Come around this field and show you guys how he rides. Here he comes. Good job. Yeah, you see a rabbit?
Yeah, it won't open doors.
He's trying to tell us something. What'd you see?
A rabbit.
A rabbit?
Yeah, it's going over there. It run off.
The rabbit run off?
Yeah.
Okay, well why don't you run up through there, go up that way, see if you see one up the other end. Come back and let me know.
Okay.
Alright. There he goes. And we'll continue in a minute. Bring it on over here. Did you see a rabbit? We'll bring it over here. Let's see you ride that thing. Everybody wants to see that. There he goes. Hey, go. Hey, Casen, go around that way. Okay. All right. Casen said he'd see us in a little bit. You can hear him. But he's going around the field. We're going to see if he can bring it back home to us over here. Hopefully so. Here he comes. Here he comes. No more rabbits?
Nope.
Well, he's out here scouting for rabbits in this Cerisa field. We're hoping we could have a few rabbits, but maybe in the evening we'll see some, but he only seen one. You only seen one rabbit?
Yeah.
All right. There he is. Hey, buddy.
Boy.
Where you headed now?
He's going around.
Huh? Casen, did you have fun around your four-wheeler showing everybody about it?
Yeah.
All right, say, not only am I the Power Wheel Kid, say this is Casens Adventures, and this is episode 1 of Casens Adventures, our new storyline. All right, Casen, what do you got to tell everybody? Hey, look at them. Look at everybody and tell them. Look at the camera. Say, watch me on YouTube.
On me too.
On me too, he said. All right. You gonna take off?
Yeah.